Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal porridge for weight loss. Start by understanding why oatmeal is a fantastic choice. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling full longer, which is crucial for managing your calorie intake. Plus, it helps maintain steady blood sugar, avoiding those sudden hunger pangs. It's a simple, nutritious way to kickstart your weight loss journey. Selecting the right type of oats is key. Steel-cut or old-fashioned oats are your best bet because they are less processed and retain more of their beneficial fiber. Try to steer clear of instant varieties, as they often come with unnecessary added sugars. A half cup of dry oats is a perfect portion to keep you satisfied without overdoing it. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Quick recommendation, just like you're nourishing your body, nourish your mind. Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books, even while you're enjoying your healthy breakfast. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get to cooking. For a weight loss-friendly porridge, always use water or unsweetened plant-based milk. A simple 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid works wonderfully for a creamy texture. You can cook it on the stovetop for about 5 to 10 minutes, or if you're in a hurry, 2 minutes in the microwave does the trick. Toppings can make or break your healthy oatmeal. Focus on fresh berries for natural sweetness and a boost of antioxidants. A small sprinkle of nuts or seeds adds healthy fats and protein, keeping you fuller even longer. And don't forget spices like cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract to elevate the taste without adding extra calories.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.